Hey there, welcome to FNZ Friendly Chair Yoga, which is gentle, fun, and only 10 minutes. It's to wake up your body, calm your mind, and move without worries. So let's roll those shoulders, shake off tension, and get ready to stretch and smile. So bring your shoulder up. Oh, bring them back. Oh, exhale. Let's shake off yesterday's worries and maybe a little more fun today. So let's add more rolls here. Shoulders up and back. Relax. Shoulders up and back. Go slow, slow, slow. So something don't feel good, stop. Maybe that part is not for you. There's nice chapters. You can just jump right in to something more appropriate. Or use a variation. Make your movement a little bit smaller than mine. Slow rolls, both direction, a little more. I like sending them up and back, but a little bit forward to help. Let's make sure our neck is relaxed here. Making a little circle with our nose. Let's make them first like a pencil eraser size, like very, very tiny. See how your neck feels and reverse that. Tiny. You can stay there, you can make it a golf ball. Other side. Maybe 3 times each time, or more if you want. Tennis ball. You can go back to your golf ball or your little pencil eraser. It's all good. Slow movement. Pay attention to your body. See how you're feeling inside. Ooh. Here, 2 shoulders. Just breathe here. Nothing special. We'll involve the breath real soon. Inhale your head up. Here, to other shoulder. You're not forcing, you're just leaning. You're just sending your head gently that way. Your hands can be wherever it is relaxed for you. If you're grabbing into your sturdy chair, that's fine. Meaning your chair's better be sturdy. I know it is. You wouldn't take a little, those old folded chair that close on you. Oh, let's take a breath. So we're gonna inhale just the half of our arm. Inhale and exhale. Shake off. Shake off yesterday. Shake off all your old worries. They'll find their way back eventually. Right now we don't want them. Inhale up and exhale. Get rid of it. Now repeat this or maybe bring your arm a little higher. Inhale and exhale. Take your time. Inhale, exhale, little finger wiggle, lots of things, a little coordination, just pick one thing, just wiggle your finger if that's all you want to do. Inhale at the level that works for you with your own mobility and not just your mobility, maybe you physically can do it, your body just doesn't want to right now. And on an exhale, bring your arms down. So on an inhale, we bring them up. If you're staying there, of course, keep breathing. Maybe reaching for your favorite snacks. Maybe you're reaching here. Maybe it's in the front of you. You have to picture your favorite snacks so it opens your eyes a little more. Oh gosh. Let's exhale all the air out. Bring your bum a little closer to the edge. Exhale. Inhale. Hello. So exhale. Just relax. And on an inhale, just come back up. Let's just start with that right now. Inhale. Exhale. Now let's just bring your heels right under your knees. If possible, your big toes come in just a little bit. It doesn't have to. I want you to be comfortable here with your own body. So this is just a good alignment if your body wants to do that. Heels under knees. Knees about hip distance apart. Just be comfortable. The back's away from the back of the chair. It just makes it easier for the cats and cows. So let's take a big exhale. Round your back, maybe look down. Look down. Inhale. Open the arm, open the chest, curve the back. Inhale. Like a cat. Wow. Inhale like the cow. So meow. And moo. With your own breath. You can chase the animal you want today. Here. I made this for my friend Linda from Chill with Linda, who has the FND, and I made this video a while ago, almost 2 years ago. I made the FND video, and it did good, and I haven't done any new one since, and I thought it'd be a good idea. It's her birthday's coming right up, and just for her and you, or anyone who wants like a more like gentle yoga. So let's inhale one arm up, and it's whatever up means to you right now. Exhale, inhale up, keep breathing. Exhale. Little side to side. Now you can keep your hands on your hip and have your elbow leads. Nice side to side. Or you can keep on adding the arms. Ooh. One last one. When you're up, just exhale your arms down. You've been wiggling your fingers, but how about your toes? You can keep your foot down, you can keep your heels down, or you can lift a little bit your feet. Just wiggle your toes. Just have fun with this. Wiggle, open, spread wide, your toes too. That doesn't feel good, we don't do it, right? Spread and close. Spread, close. Spread and close. And then curve, open, curve, open, curve, open. Little circle with the leg and ankles. Yeah, like you're staring at cocoa with your feet. Of course, we won't drink it after. Maybe somebody we don't like. No. Oh, slow, 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 smooth, magical. We're gonna march like tiny elf delivering smiles. So tiny step, you can pretend and just lift your heel, or maybe your toes come up a little bit. Tiny, tiny elf step. It's like Christmas morning, a little elf delivering gifts. They deliver gifts? I don't know, they do something, they make them, I think, right? Whatever they do, they're tiptoeing. They're involving a little bit of their body, because they're elves. Yeah, a little bit, just a little bit. And then they're gonna sneak around the corner. And okay, it's clear, the kids are asleep. Let's deliver the toys. If you want to just deliver 3 of them, you can deliver 3 of them. So hands in and open towards me and then towards the ground if it feels good. If it doesn't feel good, we don't do it, right? It's like little elves. Maybe tap, tap, tap. I think a little circulation into our leg. Oh, tap, 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 slow walk. I'm just moving my heels. My toes are still on the ground. I think I've got one foot on the ant heel. No, they're not red. They're not bullet ants either. Those are awful. Let's bring our back a little closer to the back of the chair. Maybe leaning backward a little bit, right? See how it feels for you. We're gonna calm our breath a little bit, just to reset it. Nice inhale, inhale your favorite smell, and then exhale every little annoying thing. Inhale, favorite scent, chocolate, roses, your grandmother's hair, I don't know. Exhale. Inhale your favorite scent. And exhale all the little things that annoys us. Go away, away, go away, away. If you can push it a little further, that's cool. If not, that's cool too. Now let's go very slow. Like if it was your last time you could ever smell this wonderful smell, and inhale it. And then exhale. All the little annoyance, things that don't belong in your head right now. Imagine your shoulders are a little cloud floating away and poof. Just relaxing. Feeling maybe your sit bone in the chair, your feet in the chair. Your back maybe is straight right now, maybe you're slouching. It's okay, we're not there very long. You're not gonna do bad habits for a few seconds like that. But why not you sit straight now? No, you go with your body. If your body cannot sit like that, you sit the best you can. And make sure it's always what works with your body. You don't work with your neighbors, your friend, the other girls at the gym. Your body, and you're the one who knows what's good for you and what you should skip with your own particular body. So great job, friends, and take a moment here to smile at your body, what you just did. I've got a whole playlist full of chair yoga and gentle movement video also that you can explore. It's all designed to keep you moving, calm, and having fun. So check them out and stretch that smile for me. This is Anne-Marie with That's Life Yoga. Until next time.